Alright, grade 7s, could you please turn to page 324 in your textbook, and I want you to locate question number 5. We're going to review that question. So press pause now until you get to that page and that number 5, and then once you're there, press play. Okay, so question number 5, page 324, is what we're going to review. You are using models to figure out how to subtract integers. So number 5a is positive 3 subtract positive 7. And if you recall, we're going to use blue integers for our negatives and red for our positives. So in this case, we're not going to require any negatives to start with, but we may need some later. So let's take a look. So let's start with our positive 3. So positive 3, 1, 2, 3. Now you have to take away positive 7. Problem is, as you can see, you only have 1, 2, 3 positive chips to start with. So what do you need to do? You need to add 0 pairs. How many 0 pairs do you need to add? Well, you've already got 3 positives, so it looks like you need 4 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4. But you also have to add the negatives to make sure that they don't really change anything. Now you've got the ability to remove those 7. So if I take those 7 and remove them, my answer is down here, which of course is negative 4. Press pause and try 5b if you've not already tried it. If you have tried it, continue to watch. So 5b is negative 3 subtract negative 6. So let's write down our negative chips. Negative 3, 1, 2, 3. And the question is telling us to take away negative 6. The problem is, I only have 3 negatives to take away. So how many more do I need? Well, if I have 3 already, I need 6 to take away. I'm going to add 3 more. So 1, 2, 3. But remember, make sure you add them as 0 pairs. Otherwise, it won't work out. Now you've got the ability to remove the negative 6, take them away, your answer's down here, you get an answer of positive 3. Positive equals positive 3. Alright, now locate question number 6. Question number 6 on page 324. 324, question number 6. We're going to do 6a first. If you've already done it, let the video play. If you haven't done it, I'm telling you now, I would like you to pause the video and try it first, then see how you did. Okay, so the question is positive 3, take away negative 5. So positive 3, subtract a negative 5. So let's write down our positives first. So let's start with putting our positives down first. So positive 3, 1, 2, 3. And of course, it's asking us to take away something we don't have. Take away negative 5. Well, I don't have any negatives here. So how many negatives do I have to add? Well, I'm going to add 5 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I also have to put them in as 0 pairs so that I haven't really changed anything. So now that I have those, I can now remove the negative 5 that I put in there. And my answer is what's here. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is positive 8. Okay. Let's now try question 6b. Now we're going to try negative 5 minus positive 3, which is question 6b.
Hello, ladies.
So it's negative 5 subtract positive 3. Alright, so let's start with our negatives. You have 5 negatives. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it's asking us to take away positive 3, but I don't have any positive 3s, so I'm going to put them in. 1, 2, 3. But remember, we always have to put them down as 0 pairs. Now that I've set it up this way, I have the ability to remove positive 3. So I will remove the positive 3, and here's my answer. Negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer to that question is negative 8. If you haven't already done so, please make sure you attempt to do the Show You Know on page 325. So there's a green box at the bottom of page 325. It's the Show You Know. I want you to do that first. And then after that, you can go on to page 327. And I'd like you to do numbers 5, 6, and then on page 328, I would like you to do 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12.